Hey guys, it's Tory. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making a Dollar Tree do-it-yourself crystal gift box that's so adorable. So before we get started, I wanted to say that I got this idea off of another YouTuber. Her name is Do-It-Yourself Glam. She has the most neatest stuff. I'm using acrylic gems from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm using a glue gun. So for this project, I used a mirror, and I actually purchased that little mirror from Dollar Tree as well. And I think the tool is called a carpentry square, which we had one already. And I ended up using 2 bags of acrylic gems, and then I used the glue gun and then ribbons. That's it. So to get started, you'll want to place the mirror against the tool. And you do that because with you're using the hot glue gun, you just want to make sure that whatever you're using it on doesn't melt. And so the mirror works perfectly. And you line up the acrylic gems, and I'm going to do a pattern of 5. So you place 5, and then you're going to just add a little bit of glue in between each gem, and you want to wait about a minute for it to dry, and then you'll do the next row, and you'll go ahead and you'll apply the glue into the areas that you need it to be to make those stay together. And so I did my pattern is 5 and 5, 5 acrylic gems and 5 rows, and I ended up doing a total of 5 of them because you have the box is 4 sides, and then the lid was the 5th. So I did that, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how I glued the box together. And then at the end, I used ribbon to make a bow, and then just kind of glammed it up that way. And what's really neat too about this project is you can put a tea light inside. I used the battery operated tea light, and I don't know if you can tell, if you stay till the end of the video, you'll see a video of it. But I don't know if you can tell as much, only because it wasn't super dark. But it's super cute. It's a really cute idea. So now that we have all the sections done, we're ready to put the box together. And all I did was apply some glue on the end and attach it. And I just did that to each part until it created a box. And then I applied glue on top to attach the top to the box. And then is the fun part with decorating it with a bow and all that kind of stuff.